In another pink-tinged back street, a lone male macaque revisits some old haunts. Zamir knows Rani and his former troupe are living somewhere in the city. Now, all he needs to do is hunt them out. But the wily primate has no idea just how close they are. Only 2 streets away, homeless and hungry Queen Rani doesn't know her old arch-enemy Zamir is back in town and on her trail. With alpha male Kamal gone, her troop are in real jeopardy. The gang spiral deeper into the maze of alleyways. They are down in the dumps, but the rest of the population seems to be in the mood for a party. There's the whiff of carnival in the air, and Rani knows that in this town, festivals mean food. But no one seems interested in feeding monkeys today. Hanuman has been forgotten, and all thoughts are with Ganesh, the elephant god. Today is the day of Jaipur's annual elephant festival, and the city's largest inhabitants get all the attention. It's the most important day in the calendar for Jaipur's many elephant owners, who spend weeks dreaming up dazzling new designs and preparing the perfect pachyderm paint job. The coveted title of Best Dressed Elephant is a great honor. But this little one will have to stand still if she's to stand any chance of winning. Rani and her troupe are as neglected as the monkey god and take matters into their own hands. While all eyes are on the elephants, the troupe let themselves into a giant larder. Elephants eat 400 kilos of food every day. There must be enough to share with a small troop of hungry macaques. Finding a meal fit for a monkey here is literally like finding a needle in a haystack. Elephants seem to love this sorghum grass, but it's a taste sisters Benita and Isha have yet to acquire. With their stomachs still rumbling, Rani and her troop move on.